Welcome to the final part of our 7-video series on 7 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency with minimal effort. In our last video, we discussed crypto cashback services. Today, we are wrapping up with another simple method, earning crypto by participating in surveys and tests. Just like traditional online surveys, crypto surveys ask for your opinion on various topics. The difference is that instead of paying you in regular money, they reward you with cryptocurrency. Tests might involve trying out new websites or apps and giving feedback. To start earning money this way, you sign up for a crypto survey platform. After that, fill out your profile to get matched with surveys. Complete surveys or tests when they are available, and earn small amounts of crypto for each completed task. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw your earnings to your crypto wallet. In 2024, some well-known platforms for crypto surveys include Survey Junkie. It's a popular survey site that now offers crypto payment options, and Pinecone Research. Known for its higher-paying surveys, they've started offering crypto rewards. Earning crypto by participating in surveys and tests is easy to do. Most surveys don't require any special skills. It's flexible and you can learn while earning. You might learn about new products or services. But unfortunately, like watching ads, the earnings are usually small. You might also not qualify for every survey, and it can take a while to earn a significant amount. Remember, while these methods are easy, they won't make you rich overnight. They're best used as a way to learn about crypto and slowly build up your holdings over time. What do you think about these 7 methods? Which one seems most interesting to you? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us for this series. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and insights. This was Eva. Until next time.